Hello everyone and welcome to the channel.
In this episode, we're going to show you how you can make a delicious strawberry ice cream at home using the Ninja Swirl by Creami.
So let's not waste any time and get straight into it. Okay, for this recipe you are going to need 100 grams of strawberries. Now these can either be fresh strawberries or frozen, just make sure they're thawed out and ready to use. Half a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 250 milliliters of single cream, 120 milliliters of whole milk, and you're also going to need 50 grams of sugar, and then finally a pinch of salt. Now you're also probably going to want a set of scales and your Ninja Swirl pint, and we're going to mix everything straight into the pint, so save all the bowls and mess. So onto the scales the pint goes. I'm going to zero it. Then we're going to add our strawberries. Now we have already weighed these, so when I plop them in the pint, it should be 100 grams. So now we're going to change our units over to milk milliliters, and we're going to add 120 mils. And now we're going to add our single cream. So a whole one of these. This is 250 mils. Zero the scales, and we're going to add our 50 grams of sugar. Then the half a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. And then the final ingredient, a pinch of salt. Now I probably should have mentioned this at the beginning of the video, but it would help if you have a hand immersion blender or even just a large blender, because you need to make sure the strawberries are completely blended for this recipe. So we're going to begin blending with our hand blender. Alright, now once you've successfully blended up your mixture, it will be a little bit frothy, that's okay. We're going to pop our lid on, and then you're going to want to pop this in your freezer for at least 24 hours. Okay, we are back. Now we already made a pint 24 hours earlier, so we're ready to begin mixing. And one of the things that we always advise doing is when you take it out of the freezer, let it stand for around 10 to 15 minutes before you decide to start blending. You're going to then grab your jug, place it inside, grab the lid of the jug with the paddle fitted, place it on top of the jug, lock into place, then slide it into the Creami, twist and lock, and then come round to the front. I'm going to turn it on, select soft serve, and then ice cream. And then you're just going to let the machine do its thing. Okay, so it's just finished. Let's take a look at it. Whoa, whoa, wee wah. Nice and smooth and creamy. That is really good texture as always. And this is why you should always let it sit on the side for at least 10 minutes. Okay, then we're gonna add our soft serve lid, twist and lock, and then we're gonna open up the valve at the bottom of the pint, place it back into the machine, twist and lock, and then we're ready to deliver the soft serve ice cream. So here we go.
If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our future uploads featuring the Ninja Swirl by Creami.
So there we have it. Really silky smooth, as always with the Ninja Swirl, and the taste is amazing. Tastes just like a Ben & Jerry's strawberry froyo. So I know you're gonna love this.
There you have it. That is how we like to make our deliciously refreshing strawberry soft serve ice cream at home using the Ninja Swirl by Creami.
If you want to see one of our other recipes using the Ninja Swirl, then check out this video right here.
In the meantime, don't forget to let us know your thoughts about this recipe and if you've tried it or not in the comments section down below.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again in the next one.